Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is day 9 of our 10 for 10 yoga challenge. 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. Let's start standing up as you roll down into a forward fold, letting your head and your arms hang. And we slowly roll back up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Again, we roll down, coming into our forward fold. And now open your legs a little bit wider. Grab onto your elbows for ragdoll pose. Release your arms and slowly roll back up. Close your legs together. Sweep your arms up overhead so that the arms are straight. You can't see my hands, but you're going to clasp your hands together and then remove your index finger from that clasp so that the index finger is pointing up at the ceiling. And now lean your upper body to the right, coming into your half moon. So just pushing your hips over to the left. And now pass back through center for half moon to the left. Come back to center, drop your head back for a slight back bend as you reach back, looking back. And we come back up for balancing stick, stepping our right foot forward and then lowering our upper body, lifting that back leg so that our body is parallel to the mat, reaching the index finger forward, looking down, pointing the back toes. And we come back up. Let's reset, and then we do that same thing on the other side. So your left heel is pressing down into the mat. You're pointing that back toe, reaching the index fingers forward. Your biceps are at your ears. You're pulling your navel in towards your spine to engage your core. I know that was a lot, and you stand back up. And let's come into our forward fold. Bend both of your knees in this forward fold. And now straighten the legs. Again, we bend our knees. And we straighten. Slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up. Sweep your arms overhead. Clasp your hands together. Remove the index fingers from the clasp. Balancing stick on the right. Slowly bring your hands to heart center, still balancing. Lower your hands down to the mat, coming into your standing splits. Maybe walking the hands a little bit closer to that front leg. Bring the hands back to heart center, lifting the chest back up. And one-legged mountain pose, swing your left knee through. So we're standing straight up with that knee lifted. And now sit back into a chair pose. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. Let's do that again, sweeping the arms overhead, clasp your hands together, point the index fingers up. You might have to step back a little bit, and now we step that left foot forward for our balancing stick. Hands come to heart center. Lower your hands down to the mat, walking them closer towards your foot, maybe trying to work your face towards your leg. Hands come back to heart center, and it is okay if you wobble. As you can see, I am also wobbling and shaking over here. We come to our one-legged mountain pose, swinging that right knee through. So we're standing up, right knee is lifted. Chair pose. Forward fold. Back to chair pose. Flying chair, send your arms behind you, pinkies face up. And now begin to lift your heels off the mat. And remember, it is absolutely fine if you wobble and shake. Lower your heels for chair pose and forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. And now we're going into our tree pose. So you can either bring your left foot to your right ankle, your calf, or your inner thigh. And then we bring our hands to heart center, finding something to focus on right in front of you. Begin to straighten your arms up overhead, and maybe you even open the arms a little bit wider. Hands come to heart center, and we lower that left foot back down, coming into our tree pose with that right leg. Hands come to heart center. Extend your arms up overhead, opening the arms. Hands come to heart center. Lower that right foot down onto the mat as you shake your legs out. Come into your forward fold. And now make your way into a downward facing dog. So you can just step your feet back, and let's just pedal the legs by bending and straightening. Straighten both legs, pressing your upper body a little bit closer to the legs. And now we come into our child's pose, lowering the knees down, sending the hips back onto the heels, and we take some deep breaths. Take a big inhale, breathing in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including live, longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.